Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're running a Shopify store and want to make your product descriptions truly stand out, adding bullet points is a fantastic way to showcase key features and information in a neat, professional format. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to add product bullet points using Shopify's built-in tools. By the end, you'll know how to create clear, appealing bullet lists that make your products even more enticing to potential buyers, without any complicated coding or apps needed. Let's jump right in. First, head to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, go straight to the Products section. This is where all your inventory lives. You'll see a list of every product you currently have added to your store. Take a moment to find the product you want to edit. Maybe it's something new you just listed, or perhaps an existing item you'd like to spruce up. Click on that specific product's name to get to its individual details page. Now you'll see quite a few fields, images, pricing, and variants, for example, but today our focus is on the product description. This is the space where you tell customers all about your item. What it is, who it's for, why it's fantastic. Scroll down to the description box. Sometimes the plain paragraph format just isn't enough to highlight important features and benefits. Bullet points help you break up information, making it easier for shoppers to scan and digest. Think about it like reading a menu at a restaurant. Bullet points are like those quick highlights that catch your eye and help you decide fast. Inside the description editor, you'll notice a small set of formatting tools above the writing area. Look for the icon with 3 dots, or sometimes it's labeled as More Formatting Options. Click those 3 dots to expand the menu, and there you'll see the bulleted list option. It usually looks just like a tiny list with dots beside each line. Go ahead and click this icon. Once you've activated the bulleted list, you can start typing. For each feature, benefit, or important detail about your product, type in a new line. Shopify will automatically create a dot for each point. For example, if you're selling a backpack, you might list water-resistant material, fits laptops up to 15 inches, and padded shoulder straps for comfort. Friendly tip: keep each bullet point short and sweet, focusing on the main things a shopper needs to know. If you have longer information, you can always add more detail beneath the list or split it into several smaller points. If you ever misclick or make a typo, don't worry. Shopify lets you reformat, move, or delete bullet points easily. Just highlight the text and use the backspace or delete keys as needed. And remember, you can preview the description on your storefront before saving any changes, so feel free to take a moment to see how your new bullet points look from a customer's perspective. When you're happy with your bullet points and the overall description, scroll up and make sure to hit save. This ensures all your hard work is captured and your product page is instantly updated. Taking a few extra seconds here can really pay off, helping your products look polished and making it much easier for shoppers to compare details. That's it. The process is super straightforward once you know where to look. Bullet points don't just tidy up your descriptions, they can actually boost sales by helping customers find the information they need quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, and if you have any questions or need help with a specific product, drop a comment below. I always read and respond. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials to help grow your online business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.